welcome back to a new video. Today I have my sisters Sophie and Willa. Also, don't forget to go check out their channel called JoJo and Bear. Today I'm going to be doing a slime challenge. So what's going to happen is that there's different numbered glues and that we're going to pick out two different numbers in the bowl. And those are the two glues that we get, and we're going to do the same for the activator, except for we're going to get one activator. Oh, and also to add to the challenge, we're not going to be using any measuring cups. So you guys are on your own. And then at the end, we'll see who's going to win with the best slime. So guys, should we get started?
Yeah. Yes.
Let's get started.
Let's get started.
All right, there's numbers in the bowl, and we're each going to take turns picking out one, and then we're going to go our second round. So Willa, since you're youngest, you go first. You got number 3. You got this one. What color is that?
Blue.
Good job. Sophie, you're second youngest. Your turn.
4.
4. Oh, you got green. Oh, I really want 1. 5.
Wood.
Oh, I got for this one and that one.
I get 3.
But it's okay.
I got 3.
All right, Bear. Your turn again.
I got 2.
Oh, you got blue and purple. All right, Sophie, your turn. Oh, it's either 6 or 1, and I want 1. Watch her get 1. Yes, she got 6. Well, at least.
Yes.
Well, it's green and
yes,
they kind of match, you know. So.
Yes.
And I got 1.
Yes. Cause I got that.
So, activator time. All right, so now we got the activator bowl since we went youngest to oldest last time, it's gonna be oldest to youngest. It's my turn first this time, Bear. Please be 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 2. It's okay, I guess. Here you go, Sophie.
1.
Dang it!
2.
Yep, this one. And then there. This is the last one. You want to see which one you got?
3.
You got number 3. So you got borax and warm water. Let's get started now.
Yeah.
All right, guys, it's glue time. So start pouring in your glue.
Okay, I'm going with green first.
And pouring in this one first. Wow, glue time. All right, so now we're gonna mix our glues. Ooh, there's a hair.
There's no hair in mine.
There's hair in yours?
No.
Oh, there's no hair in yours.
Funny. It's funny circle.
Yeah.
Mine turned into purple.
Mine looks like
Whose look?
I know.
Looks like bubble gum.
Mine, to me, I think it looks like what's it called?
It's
like one of those, like, I don't know like what it would be, but like it looks like one of those like strawberry flavored cakes or something, like the batter of it.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna be helping Willa just so she doesn't pour her activator everywhere. So Bear, I'm going to have you pour as much of this as you want into your cup of water, okay? As much as you want.
Into it.
You don't have to pour all of it, okay?
Good.
Good? Okay, now we need you to mix it, okay?
Water?
Yeah, you need to mix the water, okay? Oh, just slowly, okay? Good job. So I'm gonna be pouring this in, so tell me when you want me to stop, okay? Tell me when. When do you think it's enough?
Enough. I'm turning light blue.
Yeah.
Sticky. Okay, it's my turn for activator.
Keep going.
Come on.
Maybe try and make. Oh, never mind.
Really fluffy. Gooey. Okay, I'm gonna try this. Sticky.
Alright, now that they're both working on their slimes, now it's time for me to put in my activator. Add it in. Ooh, I think that's a lot. Alright. Gooey.
Lyla, want this one? Want this one? This is better.
No, I'm good.
I'll like this one.
Alright, so here's the big slime reveal. Alright, let's start off with Willa. Ooh, Willa, yours looks really pretty. Do you like how it turned out?
Yeah.
Do you love it?
Yeah.
Do you like playing with it?
Yeah.
What do you like doing with it?
Making a hot dog.
Do you like making hot dogs with it?
Ooh, I can make a
What color is it?
blue and purple.
What's your favorite part about it?
A big hot dog.
Do you like the sparkles?
Yeah.
Alright, Sophie, what do you like about yours?
That is fluffy.
Do you like yours?
Yes.
What color is it?
Green.
I like mine because I like squishing it, poking it, and it's color pink. So, yeah, I like mine. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, then hit that thumbs up button. Also, hit the bell and the subscribe button if you haven't yet. So, bye!
Bye. Bye. Bye.